In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subtotal function in Google Sheets. If you've ever filtered a sheet and wondered why your total didn't change, here's what's happening. The regular sum function keeps adding everything in the range, even the rows that are hidden by your filter. That means your totals can quietly drift away from reality, which is the last thing you want in a report or dashboard. Let's fix that with a smarter formula. In the cell where you want your total, start typing subtotal. You'll see a prompt for two things, a function number and a range. Here's the trick. Type 109, then a comma, and highlight the column that contains the values you want to add. Make sure you select just the data range, not the header. For example, you might use something like B2B if your amounts start in row 2. Close the parenthesis and press enter. That 109 is the key. It tells Google Sheets to perform a sum, but to ignore any rows hidden by filters and even rows you've manually hidden. In other words, the total you see always reflects exactly what's visible on your screen. If you used 9 instead of 109, it would still respect filters, but it could include manually hidden rows. Using 109 keeps everything clean and consistent. Now, watch it in action. If you filtered out canceled orders, your subtotal result instantly drops those hidden rows from the sum. Change your filter to only show completed orders, and the number updates automatically. No more guesswork, no more mismatched totals, just an accurate sum of what you're actually looking at. A few quick tips for reliable results. Be careful with full column references if you have headers. It's safer to start from the first row of data. If your column includes text or symbols, make sure the amounts are stored as numbers so subtotal can add them correctly. And don't include other totals in the range. Subtotal is designed to avoid double counting other subtotals, but you should still reference just the raw data. The best part is that subtotal isn't limited to sums. With different function numbers, it can count, average, and more, all while respecting your filters. But for most reporting scenarios where visibility matters, subtotal 109 your/range is the go-to. Stop reporting the wrong numbers. Use subtotal and stay accurate. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets hacks.